Suspicious thing after suspicious thing after suspicious thing. Molweni ndize ngocuku. Isikelwe ntoni ibhlukwe kaCwecwe ngoku? Ndisuka kuFacebook kamama kaCwecwe, ibhlukwe yomntana that was sent in as evidence inegazi. Isikiwe kulaa ndawo ibinegazi. Isikiwe kulaa ndawo ibinegazi. Lo ebesithi hayi what if umntana bephethe sisisu bayisikela ntoni ke ngoku babe sisisu because babe sisisu ngekho notuwa pha. It was only blood. Isikelwa ntoni and understand isikelwa ntoni. Xa kungekho ndifani kungekho ntisnacks engakhange enziwe nto umntana isikelwa ntoni evidence. Destroyelwa ntoni evidence. Masiphendule ke conspiracy theorists. Besitho inyi henyenye phendulani benisithi siyaskenywa benisithi uyaphosa simakacwecwe.
Molweni, ndisandobona iposti kamama kaCwecwe kuFacebook. Uthi i-tracksuit yomntwana ibuyile kodwa laa ndawo inegazi iye yakrazulwa. Isixelela ntoni loo nto leyo ke bantasekhaya? Ebethunana akho nto indiqaqambelisa intliziyo ingathi yinto kaCwecwe. Sakuthini ukuphakama ugqiba sithuli bengathi akho nto yenzekileyo. Ndifuna silunywe sizele singazelanga. Inhliziyo zethu mazikrazuke sivelane nabazali bakaCwecwe. Ebethuna umntu lona wenze ububi emntaneni akakafunyanwa. Ithi ke ngokuloo nto leyo naloo nto besiyiphakamela sikayigqibi. Sisaya phambili ke bantasekhaya siyaphinda siyatsho #justice for Cwecwe. Naye lo mntu wenze ububi kuCwecwe funeka atatazele. Funeka yazi ukubana we are coming and akazuphuncuka. In fact makahlale ngempundu enye esitulweni yena uzawudibana neentanga zakhe phaa edanyani. Unyile this time.
Sanbonan, I'm in and out, Keshesh, and busy, but I am not too busy for this one. Which part of no foreign DNA was found? Kucwecwe. Do you guys not understand? Since when does that mean the principal's DNA was taken and it was not found? No guys, like nami angenzange English first language and stuff, nami ngifundela ukushini, but if you are unsure, buzani lamadoda wenu afunde kuma model schools or nibuza abafazi benu laba bazi English, nami ngiyabuza kucijimpi when English stops loving me. We cannot be spreading izinto that ubabsenzo Mchunu did not say. You understand? So basically, ngiyiqhaqhe kahle ngesizulu. Lento ichaza ukuthi mabathatha ama-DNA or DNA tests inside or around or on uCwecwe, no foreign DNA was found. So one thing we need to understand and accept is that abantu bomthetho are neither obliged nor obligated to share ama details wama cases with us. They have to protect ama details of the case. And let me give you an example. The principal would not have run away had known ukuthi no foreign DNA was found kuCwecwe. I need you to walk with me. Mfuna ungilandele kahle understandani, uyabona? Had the principal known ukuthi no foreign DNA was found kuCwecwe, he wouldn't have run away. And we wouldn't have suspected anything. So right now, the fact that no foreign DNA was found kuCwecwe, so this means that even if they'd taken DNA yaka principal nala manya madoda, there was nothing to compare their DNAs with la kuCwecwe. And it could be one of two reasons why no foreign DNA was found kuCwecwe. It could be maybe whoever raped her, condomized, or umntana uye wageza and destroyed wonke lawo ma-DNAs. Those are the two possible reasons that I can think of right now. If anybody has a third one, fakanilasizo. That is all I want to fix. I've asked on Facebook because everyone was going on and on about Usenzo Mchunu saying they took the principal's DNA. He did not say that. And all the videos that people sent me, I too, abafaz, abat ngizwe kuthiwa, two of them. The other one, it is where ubaba Senzo Mchunu ekhuluma ngokuthi no foreign DNA was found kule ngane. So we cannot no masixakwe English no masinga understand the subject. You can also contact abangani benu that did microbiology at school so that they can explain to us what is meant by no foreign DNA was found kucwecwe. Ilapho nje ngani zakwethu mangibuyele ngiyosebenza msana kusukela ubaba Senzo Mchunu still onayo video. I've asked on Facebook, nobody could give it to me. I'm going to ask here now on TikTok. Whoever has a video kababa Senzo Mchunu saying i-DNA principal was taken, ngicela ngisendele yona, ngicela ngithumele yona ngizozo. Enokangithumele le video where he's talking about no foreign DNA was found. Ngifuna i-video la ubaba Senzo Mchunu athi khona the principal's DNA was taken. Why would the principal run away if his DNA was taken? This guy was running away from amaphoyisa ukuthi bangathatha DNA yakhe because he was oblivious to the fact that there was no foreign DNA found on umntwana. Masizeni nayo kahle masingathithizeli. Right now ni spread rumor lingekho nadidhizelisa yonke country. No, Senzo Mchunu must step down. Step down for what? Umuntu omdala bangalahlelwa umsebenzi just because wena Senzo Mchunu must step down. Step down for what? Just because you did not understand it.
You make lots of valid points, Mtasekhaya, kule video yakho, as condescending as your tone is, but emntwini okwazi umamela kuninzi angakuzuza. I feel like you're one of abantu aba-privileged enough yoba nolwazi olunonceda abantu, at least noko kushedeke light here and there, clarify confusion here and there, but you don't have to patronize them in the process. uSenzo Mchunu akasukelwa, amapolisa aya ku-principal eyofuna isample ye-DNA yakhe because uMakacoco requested that mayithathwe neka-principal isample over and above udriver no-caretaker. Principal wathi uzawusika legal advice waya kwi-AfriForum, hence uSenzo Mchunu had to apologize to principal ngom-implicator kule case because bathi bona be-AfriForum ubeke ubomi buka-principal kwi-risk because uprincipal could have been killed ngoba implicated kule case. And because it was reported that isample ka-caretaker nesample ka-driver sezithathiwe and ke ngoku amapolisa ayile ku-principal, uSenzo Mchunu xa eripota ngoku ukuthi sithi isamples ezithathiweyo zintathu ezizawuthestwa, abantu babezawucinga fanele uba yikabani leyesithathu because already seyiripotiwe, udriver uthathiwe, ucaretaker uthathiwe and amapolisa ayile ku-principal. So obviously abantu babezawucinga fanele uba leyesithathu yeka-principal. I don't know ke if uSenzo Mchunu unalo ilungelo lochaza uba ezi samples zithathiwe zobani, but ekungachazini kwakhe he left the public to assume. And that is why ke ngokwabantu baye bathwasa xa bethola ukuthi hayibo lo muntu akayo person of interest kanjani kodwa amapolisa beyefuna isample yakhe. Abantu baye benziwa confused, abakoduma abantu abazozidenga abantu ba-confused. Also uSenzo Mchunu wathi akho foreign DNA that was found kucwecwe, which brought enye ke ngoku ilayer ye-confusion because if akho foreign DNA efunyenwe kucwecwe, ezi samples zithathiweyo kwaba bantu bathathu zizokhomperishwa nantoni? Zii-questions ezibuzwa ngabantu ezo and zi-valid because abenzanga microbiology abantu banamadoda enze microbiology nabafazi nazitshomi nantoni abantu abazazi izinto and ke bazawufumana education xa kuripotwa properly. uMamtshelibe kwilali yakwaMxhalanga eQonce unale ngxaki kaMakaCwecwe and ke ngoku xa thina sikwazi ushare information sisakhana kwezi platforms zethu singamnceda la mama ukuze akwazi unceda umntanakhe. I feel like ininzi into sinoyenza for uba sakhane le upatronizer na yona ayizusisa ndawo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrend amakwacwecwe ngemvoto lapha ku Facebook account yakhe ayonika abantu updates. So she's been giving people updates lapha ku Facebook, so people are following her to get my updates about the Qwecwe case. So uhambe lapha niyobhala ukuthi li problem mntwana yakhe le ahamba aqokelona for or rather lilimikiswe for ama-DNA samples libuye likhathiwe la ngaphansi la bekunengadi khona. So yena unikete abantu i-information yokuthi akubukeke ngazuthi someone tried to tamper with i-evidence, and people are saying ukuthi isikiwe lama-DNA samples, and they are saying ukuthi mawuqeqeshize COP, and for someone losebenta ka-SAPS bekumele i-information lenjena abe afamiliar nayo, abe ayat, instead of making people believe ukuthi ngazuthi they are trying to cover evidence nani. So people are fuming lapha kuma social media platforms thinking ukuthi kukhona umuntu lozama kushaya mgunyadi laphana aku evidence. So people are saying ukuthi we are very disappointed at Mokoqoqo because uyomosha i-case yemntwana ke, because vele emalebo bayayikhatha lenzawo lebafuna kuthatha kuyo i-DNA. So angeke bahambe with the whole trouser, they had ukuthi bakhathele yanzawo lenengadi kuphela. So hayi anikede bantu information alimba misleader kolenda ukuthi abantu babone ngazuthi mhlambe someone tried to tamper with evidence. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.